my lovelies. So I've just done an unboxing of a surprise subscription box from Bricklink in my secret location. Yes, if you want to come and see what's in my Bricklink box, click on that link there. I'll put it in the box down below as well. Come on over, give it a like, give it a subscribe. Find me on my Twitter and my Instagram at Adelesexyuk, Crocoscope at Adelesexyuk, TikTok, AdelesTV, 3 of them on there. And then, of course, my OnlyFans, the freebie, the $10, and the naughty one. But to come and play Lego with me, click on that link there.